welcome to the channel. I am here at the 2024 Sema show here in Central Hall. This week I'll be helping out MIJ, which is Modded Japan, at their booth. But not gonna record you or myself just working in the booth. I'm actually gonna have some free time to walk around Central Hall and show you some of the cool builds and vehicles and products around the show. But before I get started, if you do me a huge favor, go hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, definitely would appreciate it. Also follow our socials, links in the description below on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok.
One pathetic sob story later.
What's up, guys? So, still the camera for Mike. He's stuck at the booth. We got Willie with me.
What's up, bro?
The stuff over working the booth, so it's story time with Steve. Yep. So we're gonna take a little stroll. Got Willie with me. We're gonna take a quick stroll through Central Hall, and let's see if there's anything that catches our eye this year at the Sema at the 2024 Sema show. All right, so first thing up that really caught my eye. I'm a big European car guy, especially Porsche, so I'm a little partial to that. So this beauty here really caught my eye. 911 GT2 RS. She's a beauty. I don't think this has active aero on that wing. Look at all that. Lock wheels. Check out all the carbon wheels. And it's hard to see inside there, but there's a roll cage in there already. Obviously you can purchase that with factory option, I believe, in Europe, but not in the US. Surprise, surprise. Another carbon bits over here on this M3. Limbs. So this is the Air Max boom. Nice intake piping there. Be a nice daily. Ooh, and look what I just saw. Another, well, not another, but another Porsche 911, but the GT3 RS with the white Sykes package. More center lock wheels on this bad boy, but check out all this aero, all this crazy aero. This is active aero on this wing here with little actuators there. Opens this like DRS. As you can see, this is a US model. Unable to purchase it with the roll cage in there, but I think there's a couple companies that you can source the cage for the car. Oh my god, look at all this scrolling.
Is this my This one's mine, that was yours. That's Bill's copy, that's mine. I could try to keep them.
One day, my next car. So check this out, guys. Toyota built this concept in-house, this 4Runner concept on a Tacoma. They chopped it up. It's pretty cool. I missed the presentation on this, but got quite a bit of all in-house R&D stuff on this truck. It's pretty cool. Oh yeah, there's a video of it. So it was a 4Runner that they cut up and turned it into a two-door Tacoma. Supra over here.
Oh my god, that's fucking crazy. Dude.
If this was a box body, I would say that's more horsepower than I could get to the wheels. Yeah, this much tire. That's what I said. You know, we always called it like horsepower limited or traction limited. This thing's a good traction limited.
Alright guys, so what we're looking at is a Factory 5 Racing Roadster. It's basically a kit car. Complete kit car with 20 grand. You get the chassis, motor with engine, and I think you just have to assemble everything together, but that's pretty cool. 20 grand for like a replica Cobra.
How about that?
Yeah, that is nice. And they even have a kit car of the Daytona.
Yes. Asterisk. Right. So it'll support 600
Look at that.
That's nice. Love the color. Oh, Mad Mike's McLaren drift car.
This looks crazy. This would never fit on the trailer ever.
Shoots flames.
mic with his rotary recliner. We saw this, pretty cool. It's the new vet, new body vet, drift car.
We started in Brooklyn in '78 and quickly learned we weren't building exhaust. We were building excitement. Ask any motorhead. There's just nothing like the raw, dynamic howl of a high-performance engine at red hot. The crackling growl of the throttle level, the stadium volume thrill of a hard launch. We gave drivers what they wanted. That same
Cool thing is,
victory on
check
the
out
real
his
world.
exhaust
They earned its
man.
races. Almost 5 decades later, nothing's changed.
Into the Speedmasters booth and check this out, guys. Pretty cool bit over here. And the color on that. Grand National. Check out the restoration on this. Done by Dutch Boys Hot Rods. Good. And here's one, guys. Check this out. One of the built by legends. R34.
We should start with buying one of them. We'll see. Yeah. I mean, honestly, this is really, really good. Such a nice product. Do you have a card though? I completely ran out of cards mine already. So, and if you don't mind, I would, or through you, or whatever.
I can always connect it.
Yeah, but whatever is the best. Thank you. Yeah, of course. He's the go-to for it. Anyways, thank you. Yeah. I just want to know who I'm talking to. This is always, yeah, sweet. So, are you Battle of the Builders?
No.
With one of the cars? Or?
The car is just added Central Hall Park.
Right.
And then this is Armo, which is the like restoration.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
It's a kind of a resto glass, I guess.
Yeah.
Alright, check this out, guys. We're in the Kia booth and stumbled across this futuristic overlanding vehicle, I guess. Something like that. He's got a level on, a bubble level on those wheels. It's so futuristic. Just check it out. That's so cool. Look at the floors and the way the seats on the track and it slides. And then the top tent. The weekender. This thing's pretty cool.